What's up everyone, welcome to Young Studio, and in this video I will share with you guys Wushu and Calisthenics core workout for beginners. Now for you guys out there beginners that don't know about core, okay, core basically means abs, obliques and lower back. All your strength, okay, if you play Wushu movement, okay, if you want to execute a strong kick, a fast kick, okay, a strong punch, a fast punch, okay, explosive jump, okay, you need a good core strength. And if you do calisthenics skill, okay, such as handstand, okay, 90-degree hold, planche, okay, you need a strong core in order to perform a good calisthenics skill. So it is crucial to working out your core in order to have a good performance, whether it's for Wushu or calisthenics. So I hope you guys understand the importance of training your core, okay, to working out your core. And let's just jump into the exercise, okay. Without further ado, let's get started. Now let's try something simple here, okay. Alright, so as you guys can see that exercise requires a good core strength, okay. If you can do that at least five reps, okay, slowly and control, that means you already develop a good core strength, okay, in order to do a lot of harder exercise, okay. So the goal is, if you guys can do that, okay, at least five reps slowly and control, that means you already have a good core strength and you're not a beginner anymore, okay. So the goal is that, okay, at least 5 of that feet sit up, okay, and then this is the exercise for you guys beginner. So that's it guys, Wushu and calisthenics core workout for beginners. Hope you guys enjoy it, hope you guys learn something. And a tips, okay, every time you guys do core exercise, make sure that you squish your core, okay? I mean, squish your abs like this, okay? Squish it. Every single time you do the exercise, you have to feel that you squish it. Squish your core as tight as possible, okay? So, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope you guys learned something from it. Hope you guys entertained as well. And I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.